So let's answer problem number 5. And I hope you already answered this problem. And if you were not able to answer it yet, then you may pause the video and try to answer this problem, number 5, and let's see if we'll get the same answer. So let's solve. Now, let's copy the problem. That's the integral of x over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared dx. So uh, in this case, now let's try to analyze the given expression or the given integral. So look at the denominator. The denominator is more complicated when it comes or compare with the numerator. However, the question here is, can we express this denominator or the radicand in terms of, or can we, once we differentiate the radicand, can we get an expression the same as the numerator? Yes. Now let's see. Now, if we're going to differentiate 1 minus 4x squared, this becomes 0. This becomes 8x. So we're talking about x here. So it is possible that we can let the radicand 1 minus 4x squared to be u in order to get an expression x dx. So let's find it out. So let's use let u is equal to 1 minus 4x squared. So again, we're just using substitution technique for this basic problem. So let's take the derivative. So this becomes 0 minus 8x dx. Since we want to express this in terms of another expression such that we can integrate this problem or this expression easily, so we could say that we retain x dx here, so we need to divide this by -8. -8, so this becomes du over -8 is equal to x dx. So which means x dx can be substituted by du over -8. So in this case, we can now proceed to the next step. So this becomes 1 over the square root of 1 minus 4x squared x dx. So this becomes, let's substitute the value of 1 minus 4x squared. So this is 1 over the square root of u, and x dx is equal to the du over -8. And let's simplify. So since the denominator is constant, then we can factor it out. So that's -1 over 8 times the integral of 1 over the square root of u du. So now let's integrate this, or let's solve further. So this becomes -1 over 8 times 1 over square root of u can be expressed as u raised to -1/2 du. And we can integrate this, right? So we have -1 over 8 times the integral of u raised to -1/2 is u raised to 1/2 over 1/2 plus c. And let's simplify. So this becomes -1 over 8 times, let's simplify this expression. This becomes 2 times u raised to 1/2 plus c. And this is equivalent to, simplify this expression, we have 2, this becomes 4, and this becomes 1. So we have let's use color blue. So this becomes -1 over 4, right? The square root of u plus c. But then again, the variable used, let's write letter c properly. The variable used in the problem is x, but our answer here is in terms of u. So we need to substitute the value of u, which is 1 minus 4x squared, here in this expression. So this becomes, let's write the final answer. This becomes negative the square root of 1 minus 4x square over 4 plus c. This is our final answer. And I hope we got the same answer. Okay? And also, now let's try to solve this. The integral of 2 cubed plus 1 all over the quantity t raised to 4 plus 2t raised to 3 with respect to t. And let's discuss this in our next video.